Hey, welcome to Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today it's hot honey chicken wings, one of my favorite NFL playoff snacks. We got 5.5 pounds of party wings. Let's hit those wings with some Frank's Red Hot. We're not going to cook all these today. Just going to be me chowing down. Let's call that good. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's about enough. Flip them over. Still got some charcoal from our last cook, but I think we need to add some more. Knock off some of those ashes. We still have some of this Royal Oak lump charcoal. Spread those around. Let's get lit with some Burn Fire Starter Company fire starters. These things are great for fire pits, grills, campfires, and fireplaces. No toxic chemicals, and they do a great job. Always light from the bottom corner. There we go. We're going to let that bag do its job. All right, we're starting to get a fire. Let's put that place setter back in. Woo-wee, it's hot. We're gonna let this get up to about 275 degrees. All right, we're up to 275. Let's go ahead and hit the grates with some cooking spray so the wings don't stick. Close her up, and we'll be back in just a little while. All right, we're about 30 minutes in. Let's check them out. Starting to get some good color on there, so let's go ahead and give them a flip just to promote even cooking. All right, let's go ahead and shut the lid and give it another 30 minutes. We got to get a little oil in this cast iron skillet. All right, let's just get some vegetable oil down in there. Why are we doing this? Well, we're going to flash fry those wings. It's going to be awesome. About like that. Let's go ahead and get that skillet on the Blaze gas grill so that it's ready to flash fry those wings. All right, let's see what these wings are looking like. Yep, we're there. We're there. All right, let's go ahead and throw these in the oil. We just need a few minutes per side. All right, time to give those a flip. Be sure not to splash yourself. Woo-wee. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch out. Watch out. Come on now. There we go. Oh, look at that color. Yes, sir. All right, first batch is done. Got a few left in the smoker. We need to get into that oil. Oh, the temperature is about 170 in these wings, by the way. All right, next we're going to use some of this Mike's Hot Honey Extra Hot. This is out of Brooklyn, New York, I believe. My stepdaughter's boyfriend brought this to me, and it's time to try it out. All right, let's get these wings in a bowl. Man, that skin is crispy. You hear that? Man. Whoa. Looking good. All right, bowl of wings. All right, here we go. Saucy. Sweet and heat. You can't beat it. All right, looks good to me. Let's give them a little shake. Oh boy. Man, that's gonna be delicious. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. Yeah. Immediately, you get the heat, and then the honey flavor comes through on the back end. It's smoky, it's crispy, it's delicious, and it's easy to do. That hot honey, it's where it's at. Thanks, Jameson. All right. If you made it this far and you want to support the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's the best way to help us out. We certainly appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.